Aloha, I'm Nate. I'm the Dean of Men here at the Anchor House.
And September's coming quick. We're so excited to welcome our next class. And
right now you're probably thinking, if you're part of that class, what do I pack for 9 months on Kauai? All right, so we're in one of our dorm rooms here, and this is what the space looks like where you'll be hanging your clothes, and we give the students each a couple of cubbies to store board shorts and everything else. You're gonna have a mini fridge to share with your roommates, and then just wanted to make a quick note about packing bedding. So you're gonna need to get your own pillow, sheets, and a light blanket. You don't need much, it's pretty warm. But if you wanna have it shipped, we wanna make sure you ship it to 2731 Ala Kinoiki, Koloa, Hawaii 96756. Or if you want to pack it, that's fine, that's great. Or if you want to buy it here, there is Target and Walmart. And when we're picking you up from the airport, we will offer to take you to Target and Walmart right away. The thing is, they do close at 10 and 11 p.m., Target at 10, Walmart at 11. So just make sure it's not going to be an issue with your flight. Okay, so it's Hawaii. You're going to have your board shorts, okay? Burgundy is my color, as you can see. Board shorts, make sure they're stretchy so that you can do your squats in them, so that you can do your shredding in them, so that you can play games in them with junior high kids. Plenty board shorts. Okay, t-shirts, plenty t-shirts, okay? They got holes in them, no matter, it's all good. Just not too many holes, but I mean, gonna need plenty of these because it's hot. I'm already sweating through my tee that I'm wearing right now. Gonna need some lounge shorts. These ones are ultra stretchy, right? So I love to work out in these shorts, doing my squats and all that stuff. Okay, so other things you're gonna need: some slippers, okay? You might call them sandals where you come from. I'm gonna start calling them slippers here. I still think that you need Crocs on top of slippers because you can work out in Crocs. You can do work day in Crocs. I love Crocs. My wife doesn't, but I'm holding out. Okay, pair of jeans, always good to have. I love Quiet Christian Fellowship because I can wear these on Sunday morning, and it's a very fun thing to do, to get to wear my jeans while I play worship on Sunday morning. Or, you know, we go up to the mountains, it's a little colder up there. Gonna need a couple pairs of pants, jeans. And while we're talking about the mountains, you're gonna need a little light jacket. Waterproof jackets are what you need because it rains a lot here. Could rain every day for a week. You know, that's totally normal. So, light rain jacket, super important. Couple Aloha shirts for church, always nice. Definitely gonna need a towel, taking showers, rinsing off at the beach. And I recommend you get a pair of $10 Epic shades like these, so they can get scratched and it's not a big deal and you can just run around. I like having cheap shades. You're gonna need some shades for sure, it's hot. Yeah, those are some of the essentials. You're gonna have a ton of fun when you're here on Kauai, playing outside in the sun, on trails, at the beach, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you bring a water bottle, okay? It doesn't have to be as cute as this Stanley one, but friend let me borrow, but you're gonna need a water bottle, okay? You're also gonna need some sunscreen. Reef Safe sunscreen would be best, okay? Also bring some hats, or at least one hat to protect you from the sun. You need to protect your head, and having a good backpack for hiking and trips to the beach is always a must-have. All right, so here we are. This is the room where your brains are gonna be exploding with knowledge about Jesus and the Bible. So make sure you got something to write it down. You got your pen, you got your journal, you got your notepad, or maybe you want to bring a laptop or a tablet. These are also good ways, but we don't want you on your phone in class. So pick your note-taking tool. You want to go the old-fashioned way or the new electronic way. Bring something to record some of those moments when God really touches your heart here at the Anchor House.